What's up everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. My name is Viel, your favorite recreator of video games, movies and anime. And today I prepare for you the special exercise for your abs that will allow you to look like Greek statue of your favorite athlete. Let's go! So the first one, I called it rise up, because you rise up your arms, make a tightness in all your body, like that. Lean a little bit backward with your shoulder and with your back. And you need to keep straight line between your hips, between your shoulders and between your arms. And in that position, you start to move. You start to rotate your body left, right, and like that, something about like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I use usually this exercise like cardio for my abs. It allows me to make it stronger, skin on my abs thinner, and as you can see, a lot of muscles included in that process. So if you need to add more sideways muscles, you just lean to the left. And as you can see, all side muscles include much harder in that exercise. And we make small impulses in the side, like that. And you can use it like 2-3 minutes, one side, other side. As you can see, it's a very strong exercise because it's very difficult to keep that position like statue. That's what I'm talking to. That's what I'm saying. And if you will touch that place, all will be in tension, all will be like stone. So usually I make 4 variations of that exercise. So I make leaning backward, like that. I make rotating moves. Also you can add some weight, some bottle of water or other things, maybe heavy books. Also making impulses in sideways, like that, and like that, and also freezing in that position and keeping them as long as possible, because I already start getting sweat. So, and also if you will explore this position a little bit more, you'll figure out that if you turn a little bit more to the floor, to the ground, your back and backside muscles will include more. Will be included more in that process. If you turn out to the ceiling, you will see tension, more tension in your abs and in your front chest muscles. Same here. Even if you're just staying straight, and if you will rise up your hands as high as possible, and if you will keep this position very tight, and you will make some movement in that position, like 5-10 minutes, you will feel how it works. That's why I called it rise up. So the next one I call swimming ball, because you need to build your body like ball. Yeah, and you need to make a movement in that position. You can make it different ways. You can keep position like that and move only with your arms like that. And as you can see, my upper abs working harder than upper part, but still it works to me. Or you can work only with your legs, even doing this crisscross movement. So you're doing this as long as possible. If it's hard for you, you just can bend your legs and make the same movement. And after that, I just dropping down my legs and make movements only with my arms. You can feel how your chest muscle and how your upper abs start working. Go next one. Okay guys, last for today but not least, I called it inner core or happy girlfriend. That's why. So we're getting in push-ups position, and all what we need to do is make movement with our hips down and up, down and up, and in that movement works only our abs. Down, we make relaxation in our abs. Up, we make contraction. Yeah, down, up, and about like try to make it like 100 or 300 times. You will see, but it's not so easy, and all your stomach muscles getting worked hard. If it's hard for you, you can use your knees to make smaller amplitude, but still, if you're gonna try it, you will see what 200, even 300 is completely impossible for one time, because your abs will be destroyed completely. And the few variations of that movement: sideways, work only with your side muscles. Very good feelings in that position, and also you can make variation with your legs to make it a little bit easier, or with your elbow. As you can see, side muscles work very hard. Yep. Same here. That's how we did. That's how we do. Okay guys, that was special exercises for your abs, which you can do it at home, at your house, without special equipment. Try it as fast and as often as you want, and you will see the result really fast. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, hope you like my, my explanation way, my friend. That's why I ask you subscribe on my channel, leave a comment down below. Which exercise do you need? Maybe for legs, maybe
for your girlfriend or for your boyfriend. I hope you will be like Greek statue. Very